Can you find a reasonably priced home here in the Bay Area? You know, Silicon Valley is considered one of the most expensive places to live in the world for the right reason. It is expensive. However, a lot of people don't realize that you have options. Now, we sell homes from all the way from San Francisco to Gilroy and from Atherton to Manteca. That's right, Manteca. And I happen to be in Manteca today. Now, check this out. Single family, single story, beautifully built home in a nice community at a reasonable price. You're gonna love this property. Let's take a tour.
Welcome to 2249 Enchantment Drive in Manteca. This beautifully maintained 4-bedroom, 2-bath home offers 1,813 square feet of comfortable living space on a 5,400 square foot lot. Thoughtfully upgraded throughout, the home features soft close cabinets and drawers, upgraded carpeting, and elegant crown molding in the kitchen, living room, and dining area. The open and inviting floor plan is perfect for both everyday living and entertaining. Enjoy added comfort and energy efficiency with a whole house fan, helping to keep the home cool year-round. The spacious kitchen flows seamlessly into the dining and living areas, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere for family and guests. With its modern upgrades, functional layout, and desirable location, this move-in ready home is a wonderful opportunity you won't want to miss.
Thank you for taking the tour. As you can tell, it's a gorgeous property. It's a great opportunity, won't last. If you have any questions about this one, or if you're thinking about making a move anywhere in the Bay Area, that's what I'm here for. Reach out to me anytime. We'll see you soon.